that we can put to rest this issue of waivers because it's been going back and forth. Will the former president be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi. Wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
Give me your no. Sampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Sabit.
Pero ito po yan. Nakita nyo po kanina nung sinabi ni Chairman Suarez na kung pwede siyang pumirma, ano hong ginawa niya, nang gulo siya, no? Pero baka pwedeng ibalik natin dun sa issue na pipirma siya ng waiver. O baka ngayon, nagtutulog-tulugan naman, ho. So, pwede po natin papirmahin ng waiver pa rin.
Yeah, Senator Trillanes, we'll get to that item later. So, I gave you your chance to speak. And I will now recognize Congressman Sindanya. Yes, Congressman Sindanya. Thank you.
May I interrupt?
Mr. Chairman.
Just one moment. I was not sleeping. I was praying
I hope
for his soul.
I hope I was included in your prayers, former President
Nagdarasal
Duterte.
po ako. Hindi ako nagtutulog.
Okay. Yes, Chairman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, since
particular on the case that you just have recently filed, the 6.4 million shabu, and that was filed before the Department of Justice, correct?
Opo, yes, Mr.
And
Chairman.
may we know, Mr. Chair, what is the status of this case pending before the DOJ?
Ngayon po, nasa case build-up stage siya. Pero ano po ito, no? Open and shut case ito dahil yung ibang involved dito na akusado ay actually na-convict. So they will just be using the same set of evidence. Pero this time, it will include ito na mga ibang mga personalities na hindi nasama dun sa unang kaso, Mr. Chairman.
And aside from
Mr. Chair, may I interrupt? If this is an open and shut case, why is there a build-up until now?
Dahil
Nagmamakawa ako sa Diyos na i-file na. Dispense with the investigation, file the case in court.
darating po tayo dyan, Mr. Chairman. Pero ito po, no, buti nga yung anak niya na drug lord at saka yung ano niya, son-in-law ay...
That would be, I take exception to that statement, Mr. Chair.
Please,
It is not fair. And
It's my opinion.
mischievous
It's my
statement.
opinion. Ikaw nga, pinapapatay mo yung mga suspected.
session suspended.
Wala ka na. Ano?
Sani. Huwag, Sani. Huwag kang mag-ate rito ng ganyan. You do not
Please avoid calling names. We can conduct this hearing professionally and calmly. So avoid calling names para hindi po tayo magkaroon ng sakitan. Hearing is resumed.
Is it now the understanding of the committee when the former president was asked by Chairman Akop that would the president be willing to sign any waiver? Would that be safe to assume, Mr. Chair, that that would be conditional? Or because I presume when the former president right away answered the question of Congressman Akop, I presume that it was actually in affirmative and it was actually in all candidness,
Wala akong
all
tinatago
honesty.
yan.
I'm
The
sorry?
problem is, what is the purpose of this investigation? Am I under the investigation? Bakit ako mag-produce maghingi kayo ng bank accounts ko?
Yes, Mr. Chair, I was just merely
What
requesting.
is my purpose here?
No, Mr. Chair, with all due respect, I was just merely confirming. That's why when I asked the former president, confirming and to elaborate further on the question propounded by Chairman Akop, it got my curiosity and I got intrigued because, when the question was straightforward and the answer was also given straightforward. I was just confirming now, Mr. Chair, with the former president. Yes, please.
Ayaw ko kayo magduda. So, if not in public, I'll give you a copy. I will show you a copy on condition na it sticks with you.
Thank you. With that, Mr. Chair, I guess it was clarified by the president. I would have wanted, for example, for the response of the former president to really be in accordance with how he responded in affirmative, but based on the clarification right now, Mr. Chair, it seems that it was conditional, no, Mr. Chair. Just for a confirmation lang po and for clarification, Mr. President.
Hindi, ang kasi ang problema
Chairman.
sa joint account kasi yan. So, I had it back of my mind about my wife.
Okay, I understand that, Mr. Chairman, Mr. President.
I'm sure you have a wife and you have bank accounts.
Yes, I have a lovely wife,
Walang
yes, Mr.
solo
President.
dito na may bank account tayo. It's always, pagka may asawa ka, joint talaga yan. That is the Filipino way of doing it.
Thank you, Mr. President,
Thank you.
for your straightforward answers.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chairman.
Adjong.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, former Senator Trillanes.
Well, just for the record, joint account between Duterte and Vice President Sara Duterte. So sila not the wife. Yun po ang dun sa nakuha natin. And just like what I anticipated earlier, Mr. Chairman, na yung pagsasabi niya na he's willing to sign a waiver, it's the same thing. It's always a bluff. Ngayon, yung sasabihin niya, sasampalin daw ako, pipirma siya ng waiver, sige po, pwede, papayag ako, sampalin niyo ako, pero pirma muna kayo sa waiver. Hindi pa
Mr.
rin.
Chair,
So, it's a
Mr. Chair, the point of order, just to maintain decorum in this proceeding, and just to be fair, may we request the former senator not to provoke
Okay.
any resource persons because that won't do any good to anyone.
I apologize,
Please,
Mr.
thank you
Chairman.
very much, Mr. Chair.
Naaral din po ba kung posible na meron ding ibang sources yung pumasok na mga pera na yon maliban sa drug money? Kasi gusto natin ma-verify po talaga if ever nga, halimbawa, matrace po na may ibang mga income sources, legitimate man or illegitimate o kung ano man, maliban sa drug money. Naaral din po ba yung ganong possibility?
Nung una, yun po ang kinoconsider namin, no? Kaso nga, based dun sa testimonya ni Arturo Las Cañas na sinabmit sa ICC, itong si Sammy Uy at si Michael Yang, sila po yung kumaga mag-partner, ano? Siya yung parang nagpa-front. Tapos tinignan namin yung mga negosyo nito ni Sammy Uy, hindi siya pwedeng mag-yield ng ganong dividendo na 40 to 50 million every 6 months na dinidistribute. Yung pa lang yung nakita natin doon sa paper trail. Tapos doon sa sinabi niya na ilang instances doon mismo sa isang Shabu laboratory, doon sa involvement nito ni Sammy Uy, lumiwanag po sa amin na drug-related yung mga pumasok na pera dito kay Mr. Duterte. Kaya nga, pinoproteksyonan niya ng todo, nakita nyo, di ba? Ayaw pumirma ng waiver kahit ito na, sasabihin niya, babawiin niya, because ando doon lahat ng sikreto. And sabi ko nga, na-validate na po ito ng Anti-Money Laundering Council through the Ombudsman na nakakuha rin ng same set of documents. Then, ultimately, in an impeachment court and the criminal court, lalabas po yan. No? Lalabas po yung mga ganan kasi may mga exemptions sa bank secrecy law yung itong criminal investigations sa korte. Yan po, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I respond.
Mr. Chair, I have
Alam mo,
other
it's
questions.
taking eternity
Gusto ko
for,
munang i-address dire-diretso kay
1 minute
Senator
suspension.
Llanes.
Tamaan eh.
Naaral din po ba kung posible na meron ding ibang sources yung pumasok na mga pera na yon maliban sa drug money? Kasi gusto natin ma-verify po talaga if ever nga, halimbawa, matris po na may ibang mga income sources, legitimate man or illegitimate o kung ano man, maliban sa drug money. Naaral din po ba yung ganong possibility?
Noong una, yun po ang kinoconsider namin, no? Kaso nga, based dun sa testimonya ni Arturo Las Cañas na sinubmit sa ICC, itong si Sammy Uy at si Michael Yang, sila po yung kumaga mag-partner, ano? Siya yung parang nagpa-front. Tapos tinignan namin yung mga negosyo nito ni Sammy Uy, hindi siya pwedeng mag-yield ng ganong dividendo na 40 to 50 million every 6 months na dinidistribute. Yung pa lang yung nakita natin doon sa paper trail. Tapos doon sa sinabi niya na ilang instances doon mismo sa isang Shabu laboratory, doon sa involvement nito ni Sammy Uy, lumiwanag po sa amin na drug-related yung mga pumasok na pera dito kay Mr. Duterte. Kaya nga, pinoproteksyonan niya ng todo, nakita nyo, di ba? Ayaw pumirma ng waiver kahit ito na, sasabihin niya, babawiin niya, because ando doon lahat ng sikreto. And sabi ko nga, na-validate na po ito ng Anti-Money Laundering Council through the Ombudsman na nakakuha rin ng same set of documents. Then, ultimately, in an impeachment court and the criminal court, lalabas po yan. No? Lalabas po yung mga ganan kasi may mga exemptions sa bank secrecy law yung itong criminal investigations sa korte. Yan po, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I respond.
Mr. Chair, I have
Alam mo,
other
it's
questions.
taking eternity
Gusto ko
for,
munang i-address dire-diretso kay
1 minute
Senator
suspension.
Llanes.
Tamaan eh.
Mr. President.
You're suspended. Masyadong mamagaling.
Wala, suspended.
Suspended tayo, ha?
Mr. President, suspended po. Suspended po tayo for the meantime. Sige.
In favor sa tuloy. Tignan ninyo yung bangko ko. All over the Philippines. Bank check. All bank.
Suspended po tayo.
Kaya nga yan.
Sige, okay na. Pagbibigyan ko.
Hearing is resumed.
Mr. Chair, if the committee would like to hear first from the former president, I would indulge in that.
Ano mo, bawal yan to reveal a bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Ano mo ba yan? You make it public here. Hindi mo ba alam that I could charge you for that alone? That single statement, I can send you to prison. I guarantee you. Hindi mo alam yan?
Mr. Chair, if our resource person is done, hindi po tayo nathithreaten doon. And
Hindi
in fact, Mr.
natithreaten.
Chair,
Produce
pinakinggan
the
na po natin.
document.
Mr. Chair, I have the floor.
Suspension again.
Because I will be charging you. Ikaw pa? Ano ka man? Pag niluloko mo dito, you go home and plant whatever you want to plant. Ayaw kong sabihin. Torpedo, sir.
Hearing is resumed. Gaya po ng
Mr. Chair,
nasabi ko
Mr.
kanina.
Chair.
Mr. President, sandali po. Sandali
Mr.
lang
Chair,
po.
ako po muna.
Congressman Abante, sandali lang po.
I can sense that.
Let the chairman have the floor first.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Ano, nakalimutan ko tuloy. I was about to say, Your Honors, na malalim na nga yung gabi at I think
Yes.
pagod na rin ang ating resource person.
Palalimin pa natin, sir, para mas malalim ang baon ko itong...
Siguro,
Sir, manifest muna ako maikli before I
Tapos
proceed.
na nga pagtatanong ni Congressman Manuel, itutuloy natin itong ating hearing sa susunod na scheduled hearing natin, which is on November 21st. So,
Malayo masyado yun, sir. Bukas siguro.
Mr. Chair.
I cannot wait. I really cannot wait. Kumakatin na yung paa ko pati kamay ko. I cannot wait.
Mr. President, gusto po namin kayo makapagpahinga.
Ayoko rin, sir. Total, sabay naman tayo. Kung babagsak ka dyan, babagsak rin ako.
Medyo
Gusto
matagal pa
ko-
po tayo bumagsak dito, Mr. President.
At saka,
So, anyway,
maaga pa, sir.
ito ang ano natin, siguro, unless there is a motion from any of my colleagues here and my co-chairs,
Mr.
if
Chair.
you want to continue.
I object. Can I speak?
Okay, Congressman Abante, you're recognized.
Ako po yung nakikiusap sa ating presidente.
Ayos, sir. Pag ikaw ang nakikiusap, surrender. Pag nire-respeto ko yung tao, sir.
Mapahinga na po kayo. Please.
Sir, pag sinabi mo,
Kasi sense ko po, nagmumura na kayo, kaya
I
kailangan magpahinga na kayo.
respect you, I will follow what you say.
Salamat po.
Pag
Thank you very
wala
much.
akong respeto sa iyo, sampalin kita, gago ka.
Pakisabi
Okay.
niyo po na i-delete. Kayo na lang magsabing i-delete.
Sige po,
I-delete na lang ninyo lahat ng sinabi ko
maliwanag po
para
na...
wala nang masabi ang tao. Lahat na total, baka sabihin ninyo, palusot lang. Let the investigators find out. Or, I will give you a blanket authority, sir.
Mr. Chairman,
Ang panig.
I move to suspend this hearing to the...
Open my
See, ano?
bank account.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, sir.
Let us wrap up first. By,
Yeah, Mr. Chair, to wrap up lang, Mr.
Sige,
Chair.
pagkatapos po nito ay tayo po'y mag-suspend. So, yes, please.
Yes, Mr. Chair,
make
actually-
it very short.
Yes, actually, Mr. Chair, marami pa akong mga tanong. Tapos, sabi nga rin naman po kanina, pwedeng hanggang 2 a.m., 5 a.m. tayo.
Bakit ba yung kamay mo
Actually,
isang
Mr.
sasayaw?
Chair, ako, kaya din naman natin yan, lalo na nung mga budget hearing, araw-araw ganun yung mode natin. Kaso lang, Mr. Chair, based sa sitwasyon po ng ating resource person, kahit na actually ay bibigyan ko rin naman siya ng panahon para makapagsalita. Gusto ko lang na ma-establish muna yung mga punto natin through our questions sa ibang mga resource person. Kasi po, hindi lang naman po ang dating Pangulo ang ating resource person. Pero parang siya
nagsasayaw
po
yung
kasi
kamay
yung
mo.
nagmamadali, Mr. Chair. At tingin po natin hindi na conducive to the point na tinithreaten po tayo, pananampal, pagmumura. Kaya tingin natin, Mr. Chair, kung ganito ang magiging conduct ng resource person natin,
Tumahimik ka na,
mainam
kumain
nga,
ka na.
Mr. Chair, din muna talaga. At hindi po natin tinatanggap yung bluff niya na kaya niya magstay hanggang umaga. So, I'm actually willing, Mr. Chair, if the committee would want, I can pause with my questions and I'll let the committee decide, Mr. Chair.
We continue. Huwag ka namang madali. Nandito ka na lang.
Meron na pong
Mr.
na-wrap
Chairman,
up na po at meron na pong
meron tayong pending motion. So,
pending motion na ito pong hearing na ito, itong pandinig na ito ay temporarily ay isususpindi natin, no? At ipagpapatuloy natin to sa November 21st.
Motion, sir.
Congressman Dan Fernandez.
yes, sir. I
Mr.
move to suspend this hearing.
Okay, there is a motion to suspend this hearing and duly seconded, and hearing no objection, the motion is approved.
Sir, ano na kung gagawin niyo? Decision niyo sa bank waiver. Pipirma po ba kayo ng bank waiver?
Lahat. Hindi lang ako.
What do you mean lahat?
Lahat. As in lahat.
Sino po? Sino-sino po?
Lahat na gusto ko ituro niya. Kami yung nakaupo ng harap ko. Bakit ano lang?
Pasok mo pa, pati. Pasok. Hindi, sa itaas, Taas! Oh my gosh.
Bakit ako lang, you know,